going, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in today. For today I have this really dirty engine that I'm cleaning today, and this is the first engine bay cleaning that this car is ever getting. So guys, sit back, relax, enjoy the show, and let's start cleaning this engine. In this video, I will tell you step by step how to properly wash an engine. So first thing first, always make sure that the engine is absolutely cold. After that, disconnect the battery, remove the negative terminal first and then the positive terminal. This way, all the electronics are shut off in the engine, and I cover the terminal so make sure no water gets into it, and then make sure to cover the alternator that is exposed, and make sure to cover the intake as well so no water goes in the intake, because after you wash the engine and if you forgot to cover the intake, it might have issues starting up. So make sure take all the precautionary methods when washing an engine. Rule of thumb in detailing is always start from top to the bottom. So here I'm washing the underhood first, because if I clean the engine and then I do this step, all the dirt will fall right back onto a clean engine. So always wash the underhood first and very carefully wash with a pressure washer. If you are using a pressure washer, make sure to keep it far away. Sometimes manufacturers do not give you a clear coat on the underhood, and whenever you're washing the insulation that is over here, be very careful not to put too much water. Sometimes they will start sagging. So here I'm using light pressure, even though it was very dirty. I will use Green Star, and this product works amazing whenever you're doing engine bay detail. In all my videos, I give you one detailing tip, and here is one for the day. So always, whenever you're using Green Star or any kind of degreaser and you have an overspray, and especially when you are doing in the summertime, make sure to rinse off that overspray from the paint, glass, or anywhere, because these products, if they dry, they will etch into the paint and they will leave some marks behind. After washing the underhood, now I focus onto the engine. So whenever I'm using my pressure washer, you can see my distance is far away from the engine, because I don't want to inject too much pressure into any kind of wiring or any of the switches and damage any of these electrical components, because these can get very expensive to fix. So make sure whenever you're using a pressure washer, keep a distance. The less water, the better whenever you are doing an engine bay. But this engine was super dirty. Some of my go-to products for engine bay cleaning is going to be Super Clean Degreaser, and the next one is Green Star by Kosh Chemi. Super Clean Degreaser is one of the best products to use for engine bay detail. This comes in an aerosol can and you spray it evenly all over the engine. Let the product do the job, because this will break down all the dirt and grime, especially all that grease and the oil leaks that are built up. And then after that, Green Star gives another push, and Green Star is a concentrate APC. It's a very strong APC, so I dilute it 10:1. Anything below that becomes really strong. You can go up to 30:1 to use on the interior as well. So guys, these products are listed in the description down below. Make sure to check them out. And if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel. And if you are enjoying this video as well, make sure to like, comment. This shows YouTube that you are enjoying my video and it pushes my content out there. I try to post as best videos as possible with some knowledge that I have, and I can give you all these tips and tricks for detail. So make sure to like the video. It helps me out a lot. After spraying Super Clean and Kosh Chemi Green Star onto the engine, now all the product has done the job. I take different brushes to just agitate the product, and this works really well. Make sure to be quick over here, because you don't want any of these products to dry, especially in summers. I would recommend try to do the engine bay detail in sections, because that will help you to remove any of those products that are about to dry or wash off easy. Make sure follow these tips, and these are very important. So here I will use different brushes, clean the engine, and here I had to repeat the process twice, because again this engine was getting the detail for the first time. I want to do as best as possible for this engine. had to repeat the process second time because I did not want any of the product to dry on the engine. For the second time, I'm using Green Star over here, and then I laid down some foam on top of that, so Green Star has some more dwell time. I use different brushes to get to all the nooks and crannies of this engine. I even use the wheel brush so I can reach those crevices. Very gently use this brush. You don't want to damage any of the wires that are hiding in the engine. I'm not going for perfection over here, but I wanted to make the engine as clean as possible, so I cleaned the cowl that is between the engine bay and the windshield, and all the plastic components I cleaned them one more time. So I'm here making the engine look as best as possible. After rinsing down the engine, I want to make sure that I dry the engine completely, and here I'm using a Max Shine blower. You can use any blower that you have, even your leaf blower will work. Make sure not to get too close to the wires and have efficient amount of air going to all the areas so all the standing water is removed, and always dry the engine before you start it. Last couple of steps to finish the engine bay detail is where I apply some kind of plastic protection to all these plastic pieces that are in the engine, and I'm using Aerospace 303. This product works amazing. I use it on my interior details as well. And guys, last step is to connect the battery. Start the engine for 20 minutes and you will have no issues. Run the engine for about 20 minutes, let it burn off any kind of standing water. And guys, if you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and let me know what do you think about the detail. And just like always, I will definitely see you on the next one.